Hey, e-commerce legends. The holiday season is closer than you think, which is scary. But today, I'm showing you how to build a dynamic loyalty and VIP program that'll have your best customers buying early and often. So let's dive in. Okay, so why now? Why launch 3 to 4 months before Black Friday? Launching your tiered rewards program in July or August gives you a full runway to segment, test, and build buzz. So when Black Friday hits, your VIPs are already primed and spending. So step 1, segment and engage. First, you need to identify your top customers. Look at their average order value, their purchase frequency, and their referral activity. These are the people who will best respond to early access coupons, birthday bonuses, and free expedited shipping. Send them personalized emails like, "Hey Sarah, as a gold member, here's 20% off our new holiday bundle. Shop before everyone else." Step 2, test and iterate. Once you've defined your segments, it's time to A/B test. Experiment with different tier thresholds, like maybe silver starts at $500 spend, gold at $1,000, and see which earn rates drive the most repeat purchases without blowing your margins. Track metrics like enrollment rate, redemption rate, and incremental lift. Tweak your earn structure until you find that sweet spot. Step 3, Tease VIP-Only Offers. Now it's time for some pre-holiday FOMO. In October and early November, tease VIP-only stock drops or secret bundles. Send SMS reminders, Instagram story countdowns, and exclusive landing pages. Your VIPs will feel pretty special, and you'll get early revenue to fund your holiday ad blitz. Okay, let's recap. Define tiers and perks. Silver at 500, gold at 1,000. Choose your tech. Klaviyo plus loyalty line, Smile.io, etc. Soft launch to 10% of your list, then a full rollout by early October. By following these steps, you'll have a polished loyalty program that drives early sales, boosts customer lifetime value, and builds real excitement ahead of the holiday rush. So you ready to get started? Download our free loyalty program planner, it's linked below, and let me know in the comments which perk you'll launch first. Early access, free shipping, or exclusive bundles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an e-commerce tip. Thanks for watching, and here's to a record-breaking Black Friday.